today we're going to do a how-to session on how to load cards in the Fargo DTC1000 printer. And as always, we'll have the bad photo ID of the day. Before we get started on the how-to segment, I want to talk a little bit about the printer, which is right here, the Fargo DTC1000. You can get it either single-sided or dual-sided. 100 cards feed in, 30 cards on the output hopper, and it has options of a magnetic encoder, Ethernet, and a contact smart card encoder. It does not have a dual hopper option, which a lot of the Fargo printers do. This is their economy model. If you're not doing a lot of cards, so you want to save some money, a great machine. Comes standard with USB connection, has a 2-year warranty, and is also Energy Star approved, which means the EPA and DOE guidelines are telling you that it's an efficient printer and using as little energy as possible. So as promised, we're going to get to the how-to segment, and to do this I have Douglas from our tech department who's going to show us how to load the ribbons in the Fargo DTC1000.
Thanks, Steve. So first thing you obviously want to do is open up the ribbon, take it out of the cardboard box, take it out of the wrapping. From there, you just want to, there's a little ledge right here that you can just pull down. From there, there's the blue on the back that you just want to take off, and you can dispose of it. The next thing you want to do is you want to grab the cleaning roller, which is already on it, and actually just load it in there. From there, you want to peel off. There's a little arrow, you peel it off. You can spin this over a tiny bit until you get out of the blue and you hit the yellow. Orange on the right, black on the left. Slide it in, close it up, and you're good to go.
Alright, simple as that. Thank you, Douglas. And as promised, here's the bad photo ID of the day. While you're looking at that, if you have questions, submit them to us at our Facebook page. And if we use it on the show, we will send you a nice little prize. And our website is idedge.com. Our phone number is 800-798-3343. So give us a call and we can help you pick the best printer for you. And we have the best service and pricing in the industry.